Oh, this car also working? This car also working? Oh, but you guys are not taking it, right?
Just bring it straight. I will tap on the trunk.
One time our like controller, she was
Bring it, bring it. Bring it.
oh 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 oh
Good. Well done, your controller.
controller, she was like me and
Yes.
yeah.
Can you please push this a little bit so that I can put the machine?
Okay, yeah. She was speaking in Tamil. I mean, she says Singhala. I mean, not Singhala. I mean, from Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
So me and her only. She was discussing some serious thing. Later on, she asked me, "You know Tamil?" I said yes.
Yes, you know.
But I did not listen what she was saying. It's okay, right?
No, just push it.
That's enough, right? Okay.
What did she say?
No, then she like her face expression was something different. But I did not listen what she was saying. But
How is she? Good lady.
yeah, good lady. She's very calm.
Ah.
So that's why whenever someone is asking me how is Canada work, and I said it's very relaxing because it's my first job, right? I don't know.
You are a good boss.
Yeah.